Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.3 question number 8. Ramesh had 20 pencils. Shilu had 50 pencils and Jamal had 80 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils, Shilu used up 25 pencils and Jamal used up 40 pencils. What fraction did each use up? Check if each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencil. Let us solve this problem. Ramesh used up how many part? We will find the fraction first. Ramesh 8. Solution of question number 8. Ramesh had used up how many fraction? He used 10 pencils out of 20 pencils, that is 10 pencils out of 20 pencils. Therefore, we will find the fraction, that is half, 1 by 2. Right? Now, Shilu used up, Shilu S H E E L U, Shilu used up. Shilu had used up Shilu had 50 pencils and Shilu used up 25 pencils, that is 25 by 50, right? 25 is 25, 25 2 is 50, that is 1 by 2, right? And Jamal used up 40 pencils. Jamal had used up 40 pencils out of 80. 40 pencils out of 80. That is 0 will cut, and 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4, that is 1 by 2, right? That means all of them had used up 1 by 2 part, right? So what fraction did each use up? That means each of them used up 1 by 2 part, right? And check if each has used up an equal fraction of her his pencil. Yes. Answer is yes. Each has used up an equal fraction of his or her pencil, of his or her pencils. Right? This is the solution of question number 8. Here you find Ramesh had used up out of 20 pencils 10 used up, that is 1 by 2. Silu had used up 25 by 50, that is 1 by 2, and Jamal had used up 40 by 80, that is 1 by 2. That means each of them used up 1 by 2 part, right? And check if each has used up an equal fraction of his or her pencil. Yes, each has used up an equal fraction of his or her pencil, that is 1 by 2 part. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.